This is Peter. Peter has to pitch his company sales data to shareholders tomorrow. Unfortunately, he has never worked with data visualization systems before. After his colleague gave him a short crash course in Power BI, he realizes that he won't be able to learn the needed skills fast enough. Just like Peter, many others have daily struggles with the usability of data visualization tools. To address those kinds of problems, we have developed a prototype at the IISM in a project called Designing a Natural Interaction with Business Intelligence and Analytics Dashboards. With our prototype, we have lowered the entry barrier for unexperienced users just like Peter. Now, users can easily create visualizations multimodally. Let's have a look at our prototype.
To control our dashboard, we implemented a conversational user interface that reacts dynamically to the user's input. Therefore, it gives feedback to the user if information that is needed to create a chart is missing, and even makes suggestions that the user can choose from. If a statement by the user is ambiguous, the dashboard recognizes that and offers options to correct this statement. We have even implemented an eye tracker that helps to interact with the dashboard, for example, when the user wants to filter for a certain value.
It was really important to us to get feedback on our prototype. This is why we conducted a qualitative study. For that, we asked a few people to test our prototype, which was really interesting because some of them work with data visualization a lot, while others have never even heard of BI. Overall, we received positive feedback on both usability and usefulness. All of the participants enjoyed the system, because in their opinion, it's easy to use. They didn't need to learn a lot of things or need external support when they were using it. Since feedback and hints were provided, the use was simplified and access to the data visualization system was improved. We hope that our project is a valuable contribution to this research area.